So the previous class we have seen preset and linked list. We have seen preset and linked list. Okay, in collection frame. So if you are not watching my previous class, go and watch the previous class and comes with the new class. Okay. So the preset we have seen integer type and string type. So by default, this preset will gives you. Let me run this. Run this. The order is ascending by default. Why? Because so in your object, so we are using string object, right? So this object is implement compare. That's why that reset is providing for will ascending order by default. So we don't need to use collections dot sort. So if you are using, there is a error here. The method sort the type collection is not available for the situation. Okay. So today we will see the new topic. Okay. Before going to the topic, I just forgot to show you. So we can, so okay, let me take array list here. Array list. So this is string of elements. M and AL equals to new arrays. See here within this, we have collections also it is taking, right? So array list. Let me take this. So here you can pass your tset, ts here. Okay. Now, see here. Now, this set becomes list. Okay. So we are converting your set to list. Okay. So I'm not sorting here. So instead of TS, you can use AL. Okay. And run. Let. Right. So before we are getting Angular Java node. So by default, the tree set it is coming. Okay. I am using collection dot sort. Let me use collection dot sort. Okay. Let me use collection sort. Here you could say A. Okay. Let me run. So it is already sorted now. Same order it is given. Okay. There is no use of collection dot sort while you are using set. Okay. But this time we are not getting any errors. Before we are getting error. Okay. This is just convert your set to. So this is the way the conversion of set to list. This is. So by passing the set object to the constructor, it takes any collection object. Okay. See, I have a set. If I want to convert to list, so same thing. You can reverse it. So you can take the set here and you can pass here and list. Same order you can do it. So that will be converted to list. Okay, okay, next. I will show you how to create our custom class. How to create our custom class and adding to list of elements. Okay. So we have already created a custom class right before employee. So we have an employee class. So we can use this. Close all that. Okay. So employee class. Okay. So we have within this class, so some variables and constructor, default constructor and parameter constructor and data and setters. Okay, perfect. So we can take this class. Okay, so let me create a class which is having main method. So okay, system list. I'm not taking any package as well. So this is having main method. Okay. Now, okay. Now I want to add this employee to our array list kind of array list. Okay. We will see array list. So see if I show you one thing array list, the remaining all asset and linked list, tree set, same kind of approach. Okay. Let me show you one thing here. So first, so let me take array list. So what kind of object here we have? Employee. Okay. We take employee and emp list I am taking here first to new array list. Okay. If you want, you can specify here as well or else not. Okay. So I created array list object and I put it here employee object. So this is list object creation. And next step, create creating employee objects. Oh, so here let me take employee. Okay. So E1 equals to new employee. So here let me specify 101 and in the double quotes and some value 5,000 and with the semicolon. So let me take these four objects. Okay. So this is employee 2, employee 3, employee 4. Okay. This is 1 and 2. Now let's say push and this is 3 money and 4 and Raj. By here let me say 45,000. So here 15,000 and here some amount. Right. Okay. So next. Okay. Next. So adding employee objects to array list. Array list object. So how to add it? By using emp list dot add method. So E1. Okay. Great. Okay. E2, E3, E4. Done. So next step, fetching fetching employee objects from list. Fetching or getting. What you want, you can. So, fetching. Okay. Fetching or getting. Okay. So there is two ways we have. One is iterator and the second one is search. So we'll use iterator. So there is a first emp list dot. There is a iterator we have. Okay. So then this iterator will return iterator interface. Okay. So let me define ID also. Okay. The next while and ID dot hash list. The value is there or not within the collection. So comparison close this here. So if element is there, it dot next. So it dot next, what object it is returning? This next it return object. Now we need to typecast it. What object we are passing there? Employee, right? Employee. Here we have to typecast it employee. Okay. And employee AN. Then next says out here. Okay, that's very simple. So first step list object creation. Then we are passing the employee for the Angular basis and creating employee objects. Here I have created 4 employee objects. Adding employee object to the next step. Adding employee object to array list. So by using the add method and next fetching or getting employee object from the list. So by using iterate. So let me run this. What happens? Fix it. See. So 4 employees objects are printed. So once you get employee object, how to get individual properties of employee? By using that object dot, there is a, see, employee dot get employee ID and next some space concat with it emp dot get emp name space emp dot get emp 7. That's it. Now let me run this. See, 01 RAM and 25,000 and 02 push for 45,000 and 03 name. Okay. So this is how we can create our custom list. Okay. So here the double, so your salary is double. That's why it is given double or double or floor. Okay, double here. Okay. So and here I can't use. See, here I can't use. Sorry. Okay. So here I can't use collections dot sort. You are using EMP list. See, there is error. You can't use the method sort in the type of collection is not able to the arguments. Okay. So, because your employee, see, the list is what type? Employee type. This is not implements comparable. Okay. If I write implements comparable. So whenever and implement comparable, so it is showing there is a unimplemented method you need to implement. So add an implemented method. What is the implemented method? So all right, compare to. Okay, there is a method. Compare to method is there. Is I think it is abstract method or something. So we are need to implement. Now see here, the error is the error is no. Okay. Okay. This we see later. Okay. So what is compared to does? So what is compared to does? It comparing the objects. Okay. It is comparing the objects. So comparing. So how to compare the objects? Suppose if you take so employee object, right? This is employee object. E1 equals to employee. Okay. Okay. The object you are passing, right? That one. Okay. Okay. So if you see here, okay. Let me see here. There is a specification compared to okay. Compare the this object to the specification object for order. So that means it is comparing and giving the ascending order based on the some implement. It's like implementation any of logic. There are sorting techniques we have in right. So see here they're giving the guide as well. So to compare, define to return one of minus one, zero, or one according to whether the value is expression is negative or positive. Hmm. We'll see. We'll try to do it. Okay. So employee one. Okay, that's what I am taking. So if get employee employee equals to uniform dot get employee. Okay, return 0 and so it is saying okay and next else if get emp greater than e1 dot get emp, then return y1 of 1. Okay. Here less than right less than minus 1. 1. Okay. Else if place if greater than 1 return. Else case we can say. So finally else. Else case return 0 means equals. Okay. So this I am using here ID. I am compare with ID. So we'll see is this work or okay. So based on this, I am doing here. So here, okay. So collection dot okay. So here, let me say first, let me comment this. Sorry, comment this. So here 104 I am giving 101 I am giving last, and this is 3, and this is 2. Reverse order I am giving here. So let me run this. Okay, 104, 103, and 104 and 103, 102, and 101 is gone. Okay, great. Now let me use collections dot sort. Okay, okay, and I'm commenting that. See 101, 102, 103, 104. So the logic is for. So we taking employee object with compare to the so ID basis we are implemented, right? The comparable. So okay, this we can say it. Okay, very simple, right? The logic also. If greater, so if less than equals to e dot get employee, it is returning minus 1. And else if it is greater than, okay, return 1. So equals 0. That's it. Okay. So based on the salary also you can take it and employee name alphabets, right? So that also you can try it by using this. Okay. So I hope you are all understand this logic as well. So we are they're giving documentation for us actually. See, compared to y equals to 0 implements that. Okay. Compared to double equals. Okay. So is the definition as well. Some expression distribution mathematical sign function which is defined to return 1 of minus 1, 0 or 1 according to whether the value expression is negative, 0 or positive. Okay, now. So like this we can do it. Okay. That's it. So if you want same thing, you can provide with, let me comment this. So here, so let me say EMP salary. Okay. EMP salary. Say EMP salary. Okay. Now based on what purpose it will be giving you ascending order. So let me comment these collections. We'll see the output first. Okay, 25,000 and 45,000 and 15,000, 19,000. Okay. So here what order you are giving, that order it is printing for you. Okay. Now let me give you the order. So say 15,000 first and 25,000, 45,000, 19,000. So the logic is that. Okay. Based on the requirement, you can do it this compared to. You can use this compared to and sort it your custom arrays as custom array list. Okay. So that's it I have today. So, bye bye.